Hi friends, I want to show you today how to send an email through your back office to your customers, to your contact list, but it's personally from you. So our company sends out emails on our behalf throughout the month with the specials and any incentives that they have going on or customer deals. But you can also send emails personally from yourself to your customers in a really easy way. So there's a couple things that's important about this email I'm going to walk you through. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your virtual office, and at the top you're going to go to your contacts list. Once you're in your contact list, you're going to come right down here and find this little mail icon, the little envelope. That is going to generate an email that's going to go to your entire contacts list, everybody that has ever entered their email address when they're ordering from you and opted into your emails. Or when you do a home party, if they give you their email address, you write it down in the order form, you come home and you transfer that to their order online. You can see here that my email goes to 2,442 people. That's how many people have opted in or I have added into my system since I became a consultant. So we're going to put a fun subject. You always want to do something that's eye-catching and grabs their attention. So I'm going to do amazing deals for the month of May. Now, what you're going to do here is you're going to type a fun message. I'm not going to go through all of that just for the time's sake today, but you're going to do something that grabbed their attention. And so I'm just going to start out with something like, I am so excited to share with you the amazing deals being offered to you this month. Then what I would do is you always want to insert pictures and clickable links for your customers to check out because like I said, that grabs their attention and you want to have a clickable link so that if they're interested in shopping, they can do so right from there. So what I'm going to do now is I would encourage you to insert more verbiage here, but I'm going to show you how to insert a picture. So to insert a picture, you need to have the picture be somewhere online. So it has to be on Facebook or Google or something. And so I have a group called Renee's Playground that I keep pictures in for myself. So I've uploaded 3 pictures here that I want to use. I'm going to click on the picture, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to click Copy Image Address. You're going to go back here, let's see here, to your email. You're going to click this little picture icon. And then here where it says web address, you're going to highlight that and you're going to right click and click Paste. Now, when you click Insert, it's going to automatically put that picture right here for them to see. Okay? Now, what I want to do is I want to edit this a little bit. I'm going to put this in the middle of my message. I'm also going to make the size to be 18 or 20 because it's a little bit too small to see on a phone if they're looking. Okay, so I've went ahead and added the picture. Now, I also want to show you how to add a link. Okay, so what I always encourage you to do is set up a party of your own in your virtual office every single month because if someone's going to randomly place an order, they might as well be giving you the opportunity to earn hostess credits rather than just putting it in as a retail order. So I have set up a party titled Amazing Deals. And I'm going to go into that party, I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to copy that link address. We're going to go back up here to our email. And this is where I want the link to go. So I'm going to click this here, Insert Hyperlink. Again, I'm going to highlight the HTTP, and then I'm going to right click and click Paste, and I'm going to insert the link. Now, when this email goes out to them, if it is blue like this, it means it is going to be clickable. If you just insert your link into the email and it's black like the rest of your text, it will not be clickable for your customers. They'll see a link, but they won't be able to access it. So you need to make sure that you click that hyperlink. And then whenever the email goes out, they can click it and they can shop right from your party rather than right from your website. Okay, now if you want to do another picture, I'm going to go down to the next step here. I'm going to go back to my playground, and I have this cargo bundle that is available for hostesses this month. And so I want to show them how amazing this is. So here again, right click, copy image address. You want to make sure it's not just copy image, but it's copy image address. Go back to your email. Click on Insert Picture, right click, paste, insert. And then I'm going to put a blurb here about hosting a party this month to get this special, hostess special. Now, this is what I would encourage you to send out your email first this month is for this specific cargo bundle. You want them to know, I'm going to preview the email here so you can see what it would look like when it goes out to them. You want them to know that this is only available for the month of May. You also want to emphasize that the stand tall insert is only available this month to a hostess of a $600 party. This alone has gotten me bookings, ladies. So you want to make sure that your customers know about this. And this is a gorgeous set because it shows both the hostess special and the customer special with the thermal inserts. After you preview it, you can see how it's going to look. Obviously, it's going to have more text than this at the top. Then you can exit out of that, and you can go down and click Send Email. And that's all there is to it, to sending an email to your virtual office.